नमस्ते फ्रेंड, आप सभी का एक बार फिर से वेलकम और बात करते हैं बैंकिंग अपडेट्स में। फाइनेंस मिनिस्ट्री कंडक्टेड मीटिंग ऑफ बैंक्स ऑन सैटरडे। द फाइनेंस मिनिस्ट्री कॉल्ड ऑन बैंक्स टू एस्टेब्लिश stronger monitoring and the oversight mechanism for managing cases in debt recovery tribunals (DRTs). This move aims to improve the efficiency of handling pending cases and ensure faster recovery of the funds. The meeting, chaired by Financial Services Secretary Sri M. Nagaraju, included discussions with the chairperson of the Debt Recovery Appellate Tribunals on presiding officer of the DRTs. The focus was on sharing and adopting best practices across all DRTs to enhance outcomes. The goal is to streamline the recovery process and reduce the backlog of cases. The meeting was attended by senior officers from the public and private sector banks, Deputy Chief Executive Officer CEO, Indian Bank Association, and the senior officer from the Ministry of Finance. Decision taken in meeting: banks to put in place effective monitoring and the oversight mechanism for efficient management of pending cases in DRTs. Second, some of the best practices followed in DRTs were also discussed, which can be adopted across DRTs for better outcome. Third, banks to have clearly defined policy for small and high value cases pending in DRTs for optimizing the recovery. Fourth, while formulating settlement policy, banks to take into account the transaction cost in mind while pursuing pending recovery cases. Fifth, all stakeholders to work collectively to reduce pendency and take effective measures for optimization of recovery, which would help in plowing back the capital stuck in pending cases to the economy for productive use. And last, DRT Regulations 24, which have number of improved features over the earlier DRT Regulation 2015, to be adopted by all DRT with an objective to make the DRT process more effective and less time consuming. And conclusion कह सकते हैं, the Finance Ministry's push for the better oversight and the adoption of the best practices is a step toward resolving pending debt recovery cases more efficiently. जैसा कि आपको पता है कि जब ये ऑर्डिनेंस आया था, जब ये एक्ट आया था, तो 6 महीने के लिए था कि कोई भी केस डिस्पोजल हो जाएगा, लेकिन अब जो देखने में आता है वो केसेस 6 साल तक पेंडिंग रहते हैं और कोर्ट के इस लेंदी प्रोसेस से जो रिकवरी है बैंक्स की वो स्टक हो जाती है। अगर इसको स्ट्रीमलाइन करके अगर इफेक्टिव यूटिलाइजेशन किया जाएगा तो बैंकों को बहुत ही फायदा होगा। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, नमस्ते।